Welcome to our 2018 Garden Trends video series, where we take a deeper look into the 7 garden trends detailed in our Garden Trends report. If you haven't checked that out, there is a link below in the description, and make sure you check out our previous videos in the series as well. Today we're taking a deep dive into the purple rain trend. Take a look around you. Purple is the color of 2018, in fashion, in the home, and in the garden. Ultraviolet was named Pantone's color of 2018 because it communicates originality, ingenuity, and visionary thinking that points us towards the future. But beyond the vibrant color, purple often indicates nutrient density and antioxidants in food. Including purple foods into our everyday life can help protect the cells in our bodies. These antioxidants reduce inflammation and even lower the risk of diabetes and heart disease, as well as reducing the risk of high blood pressure and cholesterol. There are a number of purple foods to grow at home. Some of our favorites include bushel and berries, blueberry, and blackberry plants. These compact shrubs are great for containers, small spaces, and small hands. Your kids will love picking them right off the vine. Other purple health foods include beets, goji berries, eggplants, as well as purple cabbage, carrots, and sweet potatoes. In addition to our physical health, purple foods promote mental focus, which is the first step in achieving mental wellness. So as you can see, purple is reigning supreme in 2018. And as always, for more information about our trends, subscribe to our YouTube channel and see what else we have to offer at gardenmediagroup.com.